Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Rich43. Hope you're all doing good, hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Back to the Future DeLorean again, easy for me to say. And today guys, what we're doing is we're putting the railway wheels on, and then I'm going to put it on the track and see how that looks and see how different it looks, apart from the obvious reasons it got railway wheels on. But just to put it on the track guys, because I've never done that with it myself, and I thought I'd share it with you while I have a look how it looks. If you're not subscribed guys, please smash that subscribe button, press the bell notification not to miss out on any future videos, and please give it a big like guys, just to support me on this journey, and it just helps the channel grow basically. Without further ado, let's crack on. Right, I won't lie to you, I left these on the vehicle last night on the model. I didn't even take these wheels off. So what I'll do is I'll quickly take these off now. Let me just get the jack points for them so they don't fall. Yeah, and today's video guys is going to be about putting the railway wheels on there, which I think is going to look cool. And then what I'll do, I've got the railway track. I will put it on the railway track and we'll see how that pops. Yeah, so I'm just going to take this, I don't know what these are called. Part of the wheel, I can't think what they're called. I do know, but I forgot the name. Right, so we'll start off with a long screwdriver. Taking these wheels off. I do hope you're doing good guys, all you guys watching, newcomers and regulars. I really appreciate your support at the minute guys, subscribing and liking to the channel. Do really appreciate it. Yeah, you're keeping me going guys. When I get a sub or a like, it just makes you happy, you know, that people are out there watching. Right, so what I'll do is I'll get, this is what they're coming, the rail. It's easy for me to say, I thought I could say railway wheel. Just pop out. There we go. Nice painting on them. Right, I'll put them to one side. Just get the other one out. So yeah, that's the second one. Right, now I have marked on these because as you can see they're different. They must be different. I'm not sure how, but they are different. That's for the front, and the other one I've just taken out is for the rear. So right, I'm gonna have to remember that in a minute. I'm gonna get a bit into some trouble if I put the wrong wheels on the wrong side of the car. Right, where's this screwdriver gone? There we go. So if I just get this screw out of here. Yeah, I'm really happy guys. I'm hitting just over 200 subs now, which it's overwhelming to be fair guys. I can't believe it, to be fair. I've been just going a year now and I'm hitting over 200 subs, and I think there's about 700 hours watch time, which it's amazing. I really appreciate that. Right, let me just place it on there and then we'll put this screw, the washer's coming off, don't want to lose that washer, put that in there. Right, so let's have these go on as easy as the white wall ones. Okay, so we just got to screw these on. Just bear with me while I put my hand in the way to start the vehicle, the model. Yeah, that's that on. They're not very tight, you know. Not happy with that. I mean, these screws don't seem to go in very far either, but I could put oil on them, but I'm not going to do that, just to see how they look. They will be coming back off in a minute, because I'm only doing this obviously to see how it looks, but I'm going to be putting the original wheels back on, because I do really love, let's just move these out of the way, guys, the original wheels. They've all got their own look, if that makes sense. Right, we'll just attach the front wheel, and in a minute, guys, what I'll do is get the railway track, we'll place it on the railway track and see how it looks. Guys, if you like this video and you've liked watching me put these wheels onto this model, this wicked model, my first model I ever built, please give it a big like and subscribe for more, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please smash that subscribe button for us. Now, you've got these little centre caps, which, do I dare put them on? There we go, look at that. And we'll put, see, I'm not happy with that wheel, not happy at all. But I think it's just down to where, as if I put some oil lube on that, the screw it would go in further. But I'm not happy how that's wobbly. But I suppose it is what it is. They're not meant to be pushed about, it's just a model, but that is the railway wheels, guys. Doesn't it give you just that image off Back to the Future 3? The gap you've got between the arches and the wheels. This model, guys, it's the best model I've done. Best model so far. And as regulars now to the channel, the Titanic is catching up. I don't think it'll never take over, because this is just one of them. It's just a different, it's just the DeLorean, isn't it? And the Titanic's the Titanic. But there you have it, guys. There you've got the wheels from Back to the Future 3. The railway track wheels. Now what I'm going to do is get the track and we'll place it on the track and see how that looks. And there you have it, guys. The DeLorean from Back to the Future 3 on the railway track with the wheels. Looks cool. Love it. Do hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like and subscribe. Cheers. See ya. Do hope you like this video, guys, of changing the wheels on the DeLorean, the 1.8 scale model DeLorean, which was my very first model I built. I know I went straight in at the deep end, but I loved it. Blood, sweat and tears, guys, to build it, but I don't regret it one bit. But I do hope you've liked the last 2 days of putting the white wall wheels on it yesterday, and now the railway track wheels. If you've not checked it out, guys, it'll be in the playlist for Back to the Future DeLorean. Check out the other videos for the DeLorean as well, guys. Some good stuff in there. Or just look all over the channel and please give it a big like. Subscribe for more if you're not already subscribed. But for now, guys, see ya. Peace.